Miss Kristin here, and today we're going to be reading the book Pete the Cat and the 5 Little Pumpkins. This book was written by James Dean. Pete the Cat and the 5 Little Pumpkins. 5 little pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." Oh no. The third one said,
"But we really don't care."
The fourth one said,
"Let's run and run and run."
The fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." Ooh, ooh, and the wind. Let's blow like wind. Ready? Take a big breath in. Ooh, and the wind. And out went the lights. Look at their faces glow. We have 1 pumpkin, 2 pumpkin, 3 pumpkins, 4 pumpkins, 5. But who are these eyes? Those are Pete the Cat's eyes. That's right. And then the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Bye, little pumpkins. Oh, look at what they're rolling away on. They're rolling away on skateboards.
Happy Halloween!
Trick or treat. The end. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.